Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Supreme Learning Academy. This is KCET crash course first class current electricity part 1. So you have to cover the topics combination of capacitor, electric current and special cases, then resistance and conductance, temperature dependence on resistance and according to their topic questions. In this video we are going to cover these topics. So before we start, if you are new to my channel, go subscribe the channel and share to friends, and don't forget to hit the like button. So let's get started. So first question, if V is equal to x square plus y square xz plus pi, find the electric field at 1 comma 1 comma 0, that is x comma y comma z. We have to put for x, y, z three formulas. For first x formula, so Ex is equal to dx by dy. Just put the value of x, y, z, you will get the ex value. Likewise ey value, then ez value. So this is the answer for your first question. Here I am not going to explain deeply because video will become more longer. This is so easy, you know this thing. So just take it down, just see it, you can get to know so how it's substituted. So next, come to next topic. Next topic is energy and energy density in capacitor. The total amount of work in charging the capacitor is stored up in the capacitor in the form of electric potential energy. So U is equal to half CV square, U is equal to half C into Q square by C square, U is equal to half Q square by C, because 1C get cancelled. So U is equal to half Q by V square, V power X. So U is equal to half QV. So this is the formula for potential energy. The energy density corner. Now formula for energy density is this one. Next question, in figure charge on the capacitor is plotted against potential difference across the capacitor. The capacitor and the energy stored in the capacitor are respectively. So last page what we have explained on the basis of that topic. Here is the question. First topic we are going to discuss, then on the basis of that topic we are coming for question. So here we have to solve, so we'll get the answer B. So next, come to next question. A capacitor of capacitance 10 mu F is charged to 10 volt. The energy stored in it is, so our formula is U is equal to half CV square. So just substitute the values, you will get the answer C. Next question. A parallel plate condenser has a uniform electric field E is equal to V by M in the space between the plates. If the distance between the plates is d meter and the area in each plate is a m square, the energy joule stored in the condenser is, so answer is C. So I'll just scroll these topics, you just take down the notes because video will become more longer. So this is next question according to basis of capacitor. Next topic is cases of coalescence of N-drops. Take the notes. On the basis of the topic, this is the question they'll ask in KCET. So this is the solution. I will get 40. Next question on the basis of the drop only with solution. So next question. Next question. So under the electrostatic condition of a charged conductor, if which among the following statement is true? So answer is C. Next question with answer. Next topic, combination of capacitor, series capacitor and parallel capacitor. Formula for series capacitor and parallel capacitor. Take down the notes. So on the basis of capacitor, here is the question with solution. Next question. So these are all the important topics and questions they'll ask in KCET. Next question. Equivalent capacitance of arrangement shown in the figure is, you have to find the equivalent capacitance. Next question. This is part 1 video. Part 2 is already uploaded. Go check the channel, you'll get the videos. Series wise I am giving you. Next question on the basis of capacitor. So parallel capacitance. Next question. So what type of questions and how you have to solve these questions, just check it out. Next topic, dielectrics and polarization. So polar dielectrics. The polar dielectrics are those in which the centers of positive and negative charges are separated even there is no external field. Such molecules have a permanent dipole moment. Example molecules such as HCl, CO and H2O, NH3, they are all polar dielectrics. On the basis of this topic, let's solve the questions for KCET. Next, dielectrics and non-polar dielectrics. The polar dielectrics are those in which the centers of positive and the negative charges coincidence. Such molecules do not have a permanent dipole moment. Example, H2O2, N2 and CO2. Next, electric polarization. When a dielectric is placed in an external electric field, the dielectric development in a dipole moment. The dielectric now said to be polarized. So the induced dipole moment acquired per unit volume is known as polarization. Question on the basis of polarization with answer. Polar molecules are the molecules having the permanent electric dipole moments. Answer is C. Which of the following statement is false in case of polar molecules? Answer is C. Do not pass permanent dipole moments. Next topic, electric current. Rate of change of electron through a conductor is called electric current. SI unit is ampere. Dimensional formula, then quantity, their directions. Question: if 16 coulomb of charge is passing from a point is conducting wire is 8 seconds, then find the current wire. Answer is I is equal to Q by T, 16 by 8, which is equal to 2A. Next question with solution. Next question. Next question with solution. Answer is 18A. These are all the questions of electric current. An important chapter for KCET. So this is still electric current. Stay tuned for part 2. So we'll next discuss and the topic current density. We'll discuss the topic first, then we'll go to solve the questions. Stay tuned for more such updates. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.